All right, let's start with the truth about gonna, wanna, and gotta. Because here's something very important. These are not slang. They're not lazy English. They are not mistakes. They are simply the natural way that English sounds when people speak at a normal, relaxed pace.
When you speak quickly and naturally, certain sounds blend together. Going to becomes gonna, want to becomes wanna, got to becomes gotta. It happens automatically. You don't decide to do it, it just happens.
Think about it like this. When you're tired and you walk across the room, do you lift each foot perfectly and place it down carefully? No, you shuffle a little. You take the easiest path. Spoken English does the same thing. It takes the easiest, most natural path. And these three words are that path.
And here is the important thing. Native speakers use these forms constantly, in conversation, in movies, in music, in podcasts, even in professional settings sometimes. If you were only learning the textbook version, you were learning half of English.
So today, we're teaching you the other half, the real half, the living half.
Let's take them one by one, nice and easy.
First, gonna. Gonna comes from going to, and going to is used when you're talking about something in the future, a plan, something that is coming, something that is about to happen.
So instead of saying, I am going to eat dinner soon, in real life, at a normal speed, a native speaker says, I'm gonna eat dinner soon. Same meaning, just more human.
Here are your 3 real-life examples. Write them down if you want, or just listen and feel them. 1. Daily life. I'm gonna make coffee. Do you want some? That's a kitchen conversation. Morning, comfortable, totally natural. 2. Plans and emotions. I'm gonna call my mom tonight. I haven't spoken to her in a while, and I miss her. Feel that? That's real. That's human. 3. Work or commitment. We're gonna figure this out together. Don't worry. A manager, a friend, a partner, anyone who wants to reassure you.
And here is a beautiful thing about gonna. It makes future plans feel warmer, more immediate, more real. I am going to help you sounds like a formal promise. I'm gonna help you sounds like a friend reaching out their hand.
Now, one important note. Gonna replaces going to when it means future plans. But if you're literally talking about moving somewhere, going to a place, you still say going to. For example, I'm going to the shops, not I'm gonna the shops. No, that sounds strange.
The test is simple. Can you replace it with will? I will eat dinner soon. Yes, so gonna works. I will the shops? No, so keep going to.
Perfect.